base for the shuttle Discovery with another failed satellite. The crew made ingenious efforts to fix it, all to no avail. But the launch was perfect.
It's going, guys, and we're taking pictures.
Outstanding. 2 for 2.
But the satellite failed to start spinning and move to a higher orbit.
Yes, sir. The Omni is still down, and we're trying to watch the spin-up.
This is Mission Control Houston. Following the deployment of the CENTCOM, the crew reported they have not seen the deployment of the Omni antenna. They're now awaiting some indication of the spin-up of the CENTCOM satellite. It's supposed to spin up to 33 RPM.
At the Johnson Space Center in Houston, NASA worked out how to fix the satellite on a mock-up. They worked underwater to simulate weightlessness. It seemed all that was needed was for a switch to be pulled to get it started, but it wasn't possible for the astronauts to do it. So a device like a fly swat was designed to pull the switch. The fly swat then had to be duplicated in space.
Is that more or less what you had in mind for the number 1 flight swatter?
Roger, Ray, that looks good to me.
Having made their fly swats, the astronauts had to install them.
Discovery crossing over Baja, California at the present time.
Understand. We'll pull them apart a couple inches, and I don't think there'll be any problems holding together. Hey, this went on easily enough.
Discovery Houston, check.
The fly swats were made out of spare bits of plastic and tape lying around the shuttle.
Fly swatter and lacrosse stick onto the end effector handrail.
The swats then had to be fitted to the shuttle's robot arm with tape.
I think you're asking where's the end of the wire with respect to the fly swatter. Is that correct?
That's affirmed. The second fly swatter, the one that the wire on is attached to.
Okay, that's a lacrosse stick.
Looks like I just did a super job there.
Turn around and take a bow for the elbow.
Okay.
Arm moving in again now for another attempt. Broke a rung on the fly swatter.
But despite all the hard work, the satellite still couldn't be made to function. Worth £40 million, it'll have to wait for a future shuttle rescue mission.
The paddle ball behaves quite a lot like it does in 1G, except when you let go.
Here's the coming up, probably the only time it'll ever be demonstrated shooting the moon at 2,500 feet per second.
See how beautifully and easily it flies? Hard to get things positioned correctly.
$265 feet.
Then into a perfect landing.
165 feet.
Well, nearly
116
perfect.
feet. 45. Gear down and locked. Touchdown. Nose gear descending now. Touchdown. Mission Control Houston, it looks like Discovery just blew a tire.